This is Evo from Evo's Edible Creation, and today we are making sticky buns. So if you don't know what sticky buns is just pecans, cinnamon rolls, and brown sugar. So the first step to get your sticky buns together, you gotta crush up some pecans. Pecans in the bag. Let the oven back there preheat. We don't have no hammer or nothing, so use that ingenuity. Y'all heard it on the giant hamburger. I'm gonna link that in the clip. Get that. Go get that. There we go. I'll just do this. Alright, after you crush this up, I think that's good. Handy dandy pot right there. We're gonna use this pot to make our caramel glaze. So follow me, guys. Alright guys, so now we're over here at our stove top. So I got a half a stick of butter in here. Now I'm gonna add a cup of brown sugar, a little bit of sea salt, and then I'm gonna add honey. A teaspoon of honey, not too much. And stir. This is how you make your caramel glaze. Alright, once you see the bubbles, you're gonna turn your fire off and still sit this to the side. Alright, so now we just got our caramel glaze out the stove. We're gonna pour it into the pot or the pan so we can get our base for our sticky buns. Make sure we got it. Okay, so after we put our caramel glaze in, we're gonna take our crushed pecans and sprinkle it all through. Let's not put this enough. Maybe a little more. I got a thing like gaps. Take it after you put your crushed pecans. After you put the crushed pecans on it, you're gonna take the cinnamon roll face down throughout the pan. All that. Oh, you like this? Okay, so now that we got our cinnamon rolls in the pan, which y'all can see, my oven is already preheated to 350. We're gonna stick this in here for 15 to 25 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. See you when it's done. Alright, so now the time passed. Let's check on our cinnamon roll. Oh yeah, they ready. We're gonna put them up here. We're gonna let them cool down a little bit. Make sure you cut off the other one. See, in 2 minutes. How long do we have to let them? Alright, so now our cinnamon buns is cooled down. Or our sticky buns, now I say. We're gonna take this pan, because this right here is the bottom. Take this pan, safety first, people. Safety first. There we go. Make sure and let's see the magic. Sticky buns, people. Sticky buns. This is delicious and still hot. Never mind that. Let's taste one of these things. Oh yeah, I'm making this for the next picnic or something, for the family reunion or whatever. It's good. I'm Elvo, signing out. See you next time.
Action.
Alright, I just made a delicious sticky bun, but I don't want to be biased, so I'm gonna have my production team come and try it, y'all. Y'all come on and come get some. Here's my production team. Oh, look at that.
Yeah!
Look at this.
Sexy.
Don't take bite, it's about it. It's mine. Get on.
He said it's mine.
I ain't gonna eat the whole thing.
You want to share a piece with me?
Yeah. He said you wanna share. He said you wanna share, yes.
Yeah, better share. I ain't sharing nothing.
Like a little small piece like this one right here.
Sugar gonna be high.
Alright, there you go.
I got the sugars.
You dropped the nut.
What y'all think?
Good.
I'm telling you. I think it's that caramel glaze here